back to Hostile Guitars. I'm Hostile, and this is your 2-minute drill, where the lick comes first, lesson comes later. So here we are. We've learned so far 2 notes here on the 5th and 7th, and then we put a bend in. Sounds nice, right? So then we did the double stop. Now we're going to add to that and that's going to be your lick. So what we're doing is just using the same positions, and we're going to bend that to a hold, and we're going to hit that on the 5th. So that's your 2nd string on the 5th string, on the 5th fret, 1st string, 5th fret. So, and we're picking all these. And then we're going to come grab this note here, and we're going to bend it up to pitch. Alright, and there you have it. That's your 2-minute drill. That's your quick lick. We keep adding on to these riffs, and we'll see development and growth in your soloing. So one thing that we didn't cover in the 2-minute drill version, we did over in another video, was the pentatonic scale. And so we're going to do that just real quick. And basically we're going to be in A, and that's going to be the root note. So your root note is going to be on the bottom down here, or low end, or 6th string. Alright, and that's an A. So we're going to do an A minor pentatonic, and we're going to use 2 positions. These 2 fingers and these 2 fingers. And that's it. So 1st string is going to be with the pinky. And that's going from 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 to 8. And then we just use 2 fingers for the next 3. And then the pinky was for the last 2. So practice that, practice it in different positions, because everything we're doing is kind of going to be starting in that pentatonic scale. So you got your licks, you got your lesson, and then we'll move on to the second part. So if you want to click off this video, that's fine, and we'll see you back here in just a minute for modifications. Alright, so for the second half of the video, we're going to go into our guitar modifications on the Chemical Kelly. It's a Jackson Kelly guitar that I bought when I first found out that I had cancer. And this video is about that journey with me physically, and the guitar, and the learning and the style and everything. So if I'm going to give you updates on the guitar, I got to give you updates on the cancer as well. They had to cancel my oncologist appointment this morning because the insurance didn't go through. So kind of waiting right now. We're at a waiting game. I do have a cancerous tumor, and we're just waiting to get more information on it. And when we do, we'll let you know. But in the meantime, I'm able to sit here and I'm able to make these videos for you, and it's really fun for me. I hope it's fun for you too. But we got a big reveal today. We're finally done with the neck on this Jackson Kelly, Chemical Kelly. And we call it that because of the chemotherapy and chemicals that happen when you go through cancer treatment, and also because the oil slick / burnt chrome iridescent look we're going to do to this thing. So it's got a couple of meanings. So it's going to look like chemical, and it's named because of chemical. So here it is for you guys. This is the nut. So the nut has been fully replaced to match the iridescent tuners. Now these we got from a company on eBay, and I don't remember their name, but they weren't very big. So real quick, we're going to talk about the nut. So the nut right here, as you can see, is inside, sitting inside the headstock and connecting to the neck there, right? So that's what the strings are going to pass through to go down the neck. So when you have something like this, it locks the strings here. When you tune them, it locks them. That way your strings don't go out of tune when you're using your whammy bar. So this is 24 fret Jackson neck. It's got a great weight now because we took, we put some real hardware on here. It's got a great weight. I can't wait to feel it on the guitar. And we did all our fret adjustments, make sure everything was nice and smooth and even, and we did our ends to make sure there's nothing rough out there. We put oil on the neck. Really worked on this neck, and I'm really proud of it for right now. And that's it. So our next reveal will be parts going into the body of our Chemical Kelly. And that's what we'll do for our next one. So I hope you got something out of the 2-minute drill. I do have another video called the 2-Minute Fix, where I go back and add to this video anything that I forgot or maybe wanted to throw in. Or if you have questions, throw them in the comments and I can answer them in the 2-Minute Fix. Really appreciate everybody being here today. Stay up, hey, stay having fun and living life. We'll see you on the next one.